Hi everyone, it's Den here. Happy New Year and welcome to the studio. I just want to let you know about a workshop that is now live and ready for booking. Lake Mungo is one of the most extraordinary locations I have ever photographed or light painted. Interesting fact, my favorite ball of light image that I ever created was created at Lake Mungo. It is a wonderful location. Adam Edwards and I are going to be replicating the format that we tested first in July in Broken Hill last year, where we took a group of people, I think there were 10 of us, and we spent a couple of nights and a couple of days at Broken Hill during the day talking about theory, ideas, and then Adam takes us into the afternoon and the evening and through into the night in the landscape, and then as the sun goes down and the moon comes up, we dive into some light painting. Now, Lake Mungo is an incredible World Heritage Site. Not only is it a stunning place to be making images, both during the day and in the evening, but it is a phenomenally sacred place to the local Aboriginal people. There is lots of evidence, I've seen it with my own eyes, of habitation at this place for way more than 50,000 years. I've never seen anything like it anywhere in the world, and it's very special to me, and I know it is to Adam. Important thing, I don't care if you're a complete newbie to photography or if you've never done any light painting before, this is a safe place for you. We both believe desperately that photography is about so much more than the final pixels and the prints and all that stuff. It's about community and connection, and if Broken Hill was anything to go by, I'm looking forward to doing the same thing at Mungo, and I hope you can join us. It's going to be gorgeous, and I can't wait. Peace.